Thank you so much. This video is for someone living in Qatar, Dubai, and the GCC region. Today, I've come to talk about a cybersecurity alert, and today I'm here to help a brother or sister from online fraudsters. In most cases, I've had a number of inquiries asking me to talk about this dangerous number. And the number I'm talking about is a number starting with +92. I want to urge you, or I want to let you know that, guys, you need to take care about this number. It is a dangerous number, and it is used by online fraudsters to steal money from you. How do they do it? Once they give you a call, they're going to pretend as if they're working with a bank or with a company. And they are going to ask you your confidential information. They may ask you the OTP, the bank information, your Qatar ID. So how are you going to see that? You prevent this, or you don't let them get access to your system or phone, is by one, if you're in a position, don't receive that WhatsApp call. The other alternative, if you have received a WhatsApp call, don't share your Qatar ID number. Don't share with your ID number, the residence ID. Don't share your bank account number. Don't share your password account number. Don't share any OTP message that you would have gotten in that interval of them calling you. So guys, if you do those things, trust me, you're going to be safe with your money and you will enjoy your money. Thank you so much. Hope this video you have gotten something. Share with your friend and let us fight against what is called the cyber security attack. Thank you. God bless you.